You are not behind in life. Your journey is unique, and each person has their own time to flourish. Comparing yourself to others only steals your peace. The success you seek may be closer than you imagine, but it will come at the right time, not when others expect it. Learn to respect your pace, your pauses and even your stumbles, because they are also part of the journey. Life is not a race against others, but a journey to become who you really are. Keep walking, even if it is slow. Each step you take is an achievement that no one can take away from you. Don't rush the clock of life, because each second has its purpose. Trust, move forward, and destiny will find you in the right time. Therefore, celebrate your victories, value your learnings and embrace your process. Your story is built in your time, and that is what makes it so special. Remember, true success is not about getting there faster, but about living with purpose and fulfillment. Trust your path, because it is uniquely yours.